you got something where it can be like this mic?
Yeah.
Steven, are you hungry?
Let's do random.
How's the monitor? Can you hear yourself enough?
Check.
Can I get turned up a little bit?
You can probably just like, if you say check it, that thing is up.
Check.
Do you tend to sit quietly or are you loud? Okay. I'll adjust it on the fly if you
Oh, I can also just run over there and adjust it if need be.
I'm sure one of us will tweak it.
Okay. Just let me know.
But I think it's a good baseline.
Okay, awesome.
Do I sound loud?
I'm gonna stand. Screw it. I'm gonna stand over here so I don't block anybody's view. Damn it, I'm not that old yet.
Accepted, Andy. Can I get a lot of current on monitors also?
I don't know if that's possible, but I can try.
No, I wasn't sure. If that's, we can leave that.
What does he want?
He wants her in his monitor. I don't
Yeah,
know.
it should be in it.
Oh, okay.
Well, maybe his monitor just needs to come up.
You want to check your remote real quick?
Hello. Check.
Yeah, it's pretty quiet.
Bemo's monitors are weird. Yo, what?
I think, well, we can wing it. It's cool.
We've got the time to fix it. You're not in a rush. Plus, it's going to end up screwing with us too if we don't fix it. I had a problem with Bemo's monitors last year.
So maybe mute the lights real quick.
Yeah.